Bonjour et bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to start talking about Passé Composé. We'll be talking about when to use Passé Composé for in this video. Now let us watch the video. First question. What is Passé Composé? Now let us translate Passé Composé exactly. So passé is past while composé is compose, which is composed past tense. So passé composé is composed past tense in English. And what is composed past tense? Composed past tense is the past tense which is composed with something. And passé composé is equivalent to simple past tense in English. Now, let us move to the main purpose of this video. When is passé composé used appropriately? When discussing particular past actions, the passé composé is employed, which is we use passé composé to talk about specific actions which started and ended in the past itself. It no longer continues in the present or future. It may help you to think of it is as more likely to the present perfect or simple past tense in the English. So now let us see some examples. Okay, so now we have another question here. We said composed past tense is the past tense which is composed with something. So what is passé composé composed with? So passé composé is composed with verb auxiliaire, which is the auxiliary verb, plus participle passé, which is the past participle of the verb. So what is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb is a helping word which is used for a sentence to be connected. So, for example, we have Je mange au restaurant. I ate at the restaurant. Here, je is the verb auxiliaire, which is the helping verb, and manger is the past participle which is conjugated in past tense, and auxiliary verb is always conjugated in the present tense. Second example, we have il est parti en vacances. They left on their vacations. So what do we conjugate in auxiliary verbs? So the auxiliary verb is always either conjugated in avoir, which is to have, or être, which is to be. And these avoir and être verbs are only conjugated in present tense. So we have another example for avoir, which is je traînais à la maison. I idled around at home, which is already completed. I'm not idling around the home right now, or I'm not going to idle in the future. Next, we have être. Je suis allé au restaurant. I went to the restaurant. I already went. I'm not going to the restaurant, or I will go to the restaurant in future. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye then. Thank you. Merci.